And welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you've already read the title, I'm going to be reviewing Garnier's new launch, which is their vitamin C serum. And before I get into explaining this bad boy, let me tell you something. So I have been a big fan of skincare firstly, and I love making review sort of videos on my channel, but I don't think they do that well. But if you want me to review anything, just let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do that because I just love making these videos. Anyways, now let's get started with the final proper review thing. So I've been using this product for the past 4 days, and I just got out of the shower. I don't have anything on my face, not even moisturizer. I think you can see my chapped lips too. I have been using this for the past 4 days, and I thought like this is the perfect time. जब आज तो shoot कर ही लेना चाहिए. Like today will be the 4th day when I'll use it right in front of you. I'm gonna explain everything that this product has to offer you, and also all the ingredients and everything. So let's get started with the video. So this is what the bottle looks like, and it has yuzu lemon and vitamin C, and I'm gonna get into vitamin C आराम से, मतलब 2 minute रुक के, because vitamin C is one ingredient that I look for in all my products. So this was a win-win when Garnier sent to me. So this actually has a very lightweight formula and also is very non-oily and absorbs really fast on your skin, on my skin at least, and believe it or not, gives an instant glow. And I actually saw the difference in my skin in like 3 days only. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. Just rub my fingers a little bit and then dab. It feels really refreshing, and it has a really nice fragrance too. I think you guys can see how quickly it actually absorbed into my skin, and I think the dabbing motion does magic, and it kind of enhances the speed of the absorption maybe. And this needs to be followed with a moisturizer. So I'm gonna take my moisturizer and just spread it on my hand and apply it on my face. So if you want to use or get your hands on like this serum, then make sure to tell me in the comment section below why do you want to try it, and I'm gonna be giving away free samples. Like 10 people will be selected, and I'm gonna give them this serum, and you guys will be the first to try it, just like me. And if you are not the selected one, then please make sure to click in the description box below, like I'm gonna put the link there, and get your hands on the product. So you need to use it twice daily, and you will actually see the difference. I have actually seen the difference. I know a lot of people say it just for the sake of it, but I do not promote anything on my channel if I don't like that product. So I am going to be very honest. This product, I've genuinely been using it, and it has actually visibly reduced my dark spots too. I think this is the product that is gonna help me in the long run. Now on to a more detailed review. So this is Garnier's most concentrated spot reduction formula, and it has yuzu lemon and vitamin C, as I just mentioned. And now I'm gonna tell you the importance of vitamin C in your skincare regime, and that is because of its antioxidant properties. It actually aids in your skin's natural regeneration process and also helps your body to repair the damaged skin cells. Let me give you another reason. So vitamin C is highly acidic, and when it is applied topically, the skin actually is triggered to heal itself, and it accelerates the production of collagen and elastin. So both of these are naturally occurring protein fibers that actually help your skin to glow and be plump. So in helping promote collagen production, vitamin C also helps you prevent premature aging of the skin. So at least while you're using this product, or it can actually push आपके wrinkles थोड़ा time के बाद आएंगे, if that makes any sense. I don't know why I say such things. Anyways, so in layman language, it actually helps you reduce your spots, acne, dark circles, as in, yeah, in total, overall makes your skin very glowy, plump, refreshed, and also firm. So for you need to be using it twice a day because I actually visibly saw the result. I've actually mentioned it, मैं actually बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ and I've mentioned it thrice in the video, but my skin, as you can see, I have literally nothing on and I applied the product right in front of you, and this is what my skin looks like and it feels amazing, believe me. If you think कि थोड़ा shine कर रही हो तो that's because I don't have my AC on and I'm sweating थोड़ा सा. बाकी my skin feels so good, so fresh, and I'm loving the result honestly. And the best part is it is pretty affordable too. Like the 30 ml bottle is just for rupees 449, and I think for the results that this is giving you, this is actually worth it. And also because of this lightweight, it's lightweight formula, it is perfect for the sticky sweaty weather too. And I think this is by far the only product जिसका इतना fast result मैंने अपनी skin के ऊपर देखा है. तो go ahead, get your hands on this product from the link in the description box below, and let me know what else do you want me to review in this video series. I'm not yet sure कि मैं इसे series बनाना चाहती हूँ, but let me know what you want me to review. And that was it for this product and for this video too. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's